This is my selfie stick. I picked the pink. To turn it on, you just hold the button for 3 seconds. Then it flashes and it's in pairing mode. This is already paired to my phone, so I just have to turn the phone on, and as you can see, the light went solid. I open the thing up, slide the phone on, pull it out, get the phone back into I have to put my phone in photo mode. I hold the stick out and push the button and take a photo. Then when I want to turn it off, I just hold the button for 3 seconds and it turns it back off.